Good morning students. Welcome to my channel Sharada Math Classes. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. You can watch the videos related to your topics of Standard 10 CBSE and State Board. Share these videos with your friends. Tell them to subscribe to my videos so that they'll be seeing more and more videos in future. Thank you. In the last video, I had derived the formula to find the last term of a arithmetic progression. So how to find the last term of an arithmetic progression? So the last term of an arithmetic progression is given by an, which is the last term, is equal to a is first term, n means total number of terms in the sequence, d is nothing but the difference between two consecutive terms. Okay, now here in this exercise 5.2 we are taking fifth problem today. So here in this problem they have given find the number of terms. Number of terms is nothing but n. Okay, in each of the following APs. AP is given, progression is given. You have to pick the value of A, D, find the value of n. An is given. Let me put the values first. A is equal to 7, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is equal to 13 minus 7, 6, D is equal to 6. Next, An, last term, 205. Number of terms you have to find out. Put the formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is nothing but 205 is equal to A is 7 plus n we don't know, keep as it is, D is 6. Now multiply the bracket with 6, remaining terms as it is. 6 into n, 6n minus 6 ones are 6. 205 is equal to, group these two, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 plus 6n. Shift 1 here. 205 minus 1 is equal to 6n. 204 is equal to 6n. N is equal to 204 divided by the coefficient of n. 6 3s are 18. 2 is remainder 24, 6 4s are 24. Therefore, how many terms are there in this sequence? Progression. Number of terms is 34. Okay. A is given, D is given, last term is given, and you have to find out. Put the formula, substitute the values. Here n term multiply with 6, you will get 6n minus 6. Now group these two numbers, you will get 1 plus 6n. Shift 1 here is equal to 6n. After shifting, subtract, put the value is equal to 6n. So you want n, you will get the value of n. So n is equal to 34. Similarly, we will take up this problem also. Here A is equal to 18, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 15 and half minus 18. This minus this, you will get a negative number minus 2 and half. From 18 minus 15 and half, how much you will get? 2 and half. Is it not? Put the bigger number sign. So An is given 47 minus 47 it is. It is minus 47. N is equal to question mark. So let me substitute the values. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is minus 47 is equal to A means 18. N we don't know. We have to find out. D is minus 2 and half. 2 and half you can write it as 5 by 2 into this is. Put it in the bracket. Put the value in the bracket. Minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n into minus 5 by 2. Minus 5n by 2. Minus into minus plus 5 by 2. Okay. Minus 47 is equal to 18 plus 5 by 2. How much? 18 plus 5 by 2 minus 5n by 2. Next, you have to add these two. Minus 47 is equal to, put 1 here, Straight multiply, cross multiply. 2 ones are 2, cross multiply. 36 plus 5 minus 5n by 2. Next, minus 47 is equal to 41 by 2 minus 5n by 2. Shift 41 by 2 here. Minus 47 minus 41 by 2 is equal to minus 5n by 2. Okay, next step, we'll continue here. So this you have finished now. You can make a note. Okay, I'll continue with this. You can make a note of this. Next. Next, here on LHS you have minus 47 minus 41 by 2. I put 1 here. Minus 5n by 2 as it is. First multiply these two. 2 ones are 2. Cross multiply. 47 2s are 94. Okay. Minus 41 ones are 41 is equal to minus 5n by 2. How much? Both are minus minus. So minus 513 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Yeah. Okay, now cross multiply. I can cancel minus and minus now. After cancelling, cross multiply. 135 into 2 is equal to 2 into 5n. So how much? 270 is equal to 10n. Okay. N is equal to 270 divided by 10. 27. Therefore, number of terms is equal to 27. Okay. See, first what you have to do, they have given the sequence. Pick the value of A is 18. D means T2 minus T1. 15 and half minus 18. You can easily subtract. 18 minus 15 and half is 2 and half. Write down with minus sign, bigger number sign. Last term is given minus 47. A is minus 47. AN. N you have to find out. Put the formula first. After putting the formula, substitute the values. AN is minus 47. A means 18. N minus 1 into D means minus 5 by 2. Put it in the bracket because it is a fraction. Minus 47 is equal to 18 plus multiply both the terms by minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 into N is minus 5N by 2 plus minus 1 into minus means plus 5 by 2. This as it is here. Put 1 here, multiply. Denominator multiplication first and then cross multiplication. Okay. These two you have to group it first and this keep as it is. Minus 47 as it is. Now you multiply denominator, these two only. Cross multiply, you will get 36 plus 5 ones are 5. This as it is. Next, minus 47 here, group it. You will get 41 by 2. Next step, you have to shift it. This right hand side as it is. Shift it. After shifting, right hand side as it is. Now left hand side write down. Both are minus minus. First you multiply denominator, cross multiply. You will get the answer here is equal to 5n by 2. So both are minus minus, so you will get answer in minus only. Minus 135 by 2 is equal to 5n by 2. Minus minus again cancel. Now cross multiply. 135 2s is equal to 2 into 5n. 270 is equal to 10n. N is equal to 27. This is how you can find the value of n. See, out of 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, if any 3 values are given, other value you can easily find out using the term formula. Okay, this is how you can solve this main. Okay, so you can just have a glance once again and then you can copy down. In the next problem, 7th problem this is. 7th problem they have given find the 31st term of AP. You have to find the 31st term of AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term is given, value of the 11th term is given, 16th term is given. See, you have so many terms here. So many terms. Out of that 11th term, whose value is 38, you have so many numbers before and after. And 16th term somewhere here, its value is 73. Okay, you have to find the 31st term. 31st term is how much you have to find out. So 11th term means if you take only 11 terms, the value of n becomes 11 only, is it not? If you consider 16th term, means 16th term is the last term, therefore the value of n becomes 16. If you consider 31st term, means this sequence has 31 terms, is it not? So here we know only the value of n, that's all, is it not? Here A11 means 11th, A11 means 11th term, is it not? So 11th term means n is equal to 11. We don't know A, we don't know D also, is it not? We know that A11 is equal to A plus 10D, is it not? In deriving the formula, I have told you, whichever term is there, one difference should be less than that. Because you have one term here, first term plus 10 times its different will give you 11th term, is it not? But the value of this is also given how much? 38. This is 11th term value, it is 38. A16, 16th term means A plus reduce 1, 15D. Is it not? Whatever is a number, reduce 1D, because here one term is already added. So that will be your expanded form of term of 16. A16 is A plus 15D. That value is also given. Okay. So now this is one equation. This is second equation. You have to solve these two equations in order to get the value of A and D. Okay. It's very simple. After finding that, you have to find A31 is equal to question mark. Okay. So here A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now here A is having same coefficient. But you have to cancel the term A. What do? You have to change the sign of the second equation. Change the sign. So plus A minus A gets cancelled. Plus 10 minus 15 is minus 5D, plus 38 minus 73 is minus 15 or 25. 13 minus 8 is 5. 6 minus 3, 3, 35. Okay. So change the sign throughout for the second equation. It gets cancelled. A gets cancelled. Plus 10 minus 15 is minus 5D. Plus 38 minus 73 is minus 35D. Now you got the value, minus minus gets cancelled. D is equal to 35 divided by 5. Therefore, the value of D is 7. Now you got the value of D. D is the difference. Is it not? So put this value in any one of the equation. Substituting D is equal to 7 in equation 1. I call this equation as 1. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Put D is equal to 7. A plus 10 into D means 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. Shift 70 here. A is equal to 38 minus 70. How much you will get? 32 minus 32. So A value is equal to minus 32. So the value of A is equal to minus 32. Okay. Now you have to find the 31st term. Okay. Next, what you have to do? You got the value of A and D. Now you have to find A31. A31 is equal to A plus 30D. Is it not? A plus 30D. So A31 term you have to find out. A means minus 32 plus 30 into D means 7. Okay. Minus 32 plus 210. How much you will get? 22. 10 minus 2 is 8. 20 minus 3 is 17. 178. Therefore, A31 is equal to 178. So, this is how you can solve. Simply, whatever is given, 11th term. 11th term is A plus 10D, value is given. 16th term is A plus 15D, its value is also given. Take the equations, solve it. Okay. A is having same coefficient but having same sign. Just change the sign, cancel A term, reduce this to, simplify this. Minus 5D is equal to minus 35, minus cancel, you got the value of D. After getting the value of D, take any one of the equation, either this or this, anyone you can take. So, take this equation, substitute the value of D, shift the numbers, you will get the value of A. And once you get the value of A also, A and D is known. A is the first term, D is the difference. You have to find the 31st term. Okay, 31st term means N value is 31. So, you can directly put the term here. A31 is equal to A plus 30D. So, A value is minus 32 plus 30 into 7. 32 plus 210. Otherwise, A31 you can also find out using formula. Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A is known, D is known, N is known. You can easily find AN. You can use that formula also to find the term, or directly the term you can take and put the values. Okay. This is how you can solve the problems. Thank you.